Hello friends. Uh, to learn HTML you have to need a notepad. If you are using Windows, then you can click on start. After that, go to all program, here accessories, and here is notepad, this one. Click on this, the notepad will open. If you need the advanced version of notepad plus plus, then you can go to online, go Google. After that, click here and write TOWNLOAD, download notepad plus plus. After that, click the notepad version 7.6.1. click on this. Then download this one, the latest version of notepad plus plus. Actually notepad plus plus is a upgraded version of notepad. So here I will tell you the difference between notepad and notepad plus plus. Just waiting for download. The downloading begins. After that, show in folder, here. See, notepad plus plus is already downloaded. Click on this to how to install. Then yes. After that, select English. Okay. Next. I agreed. Next. Next. This is auto selected. And create a shortcut on desktop. Then next. Install. So notepad plus plus is downloaded. So see friends, this is notepad plus plus and this is notepad. Here the difference between the notepad is a simple. If I click, we don't get a serial number. If I click on notepad plus plus, then we get the serial number automatically, and we have so many features which notepad does not have. This is the installation of notepad.